Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I want to do a quick video on this Marx diesel motor. This is number 5 out of the 6 that arrived yesterday. Now, this was missing both of the rear wheels, and this is a double reduction motor, but completely different than the steam version of the motor, as you see. In any case, it was missing the bearings, it was missing the drive gear wheel, and it was missing the other wheel. So I went through my parts. I actually found the drive gear wheel and installed it. I did not, however, have the other wheel. So I started looking at it, and I noticed, and I took a couple of quick measurements, this is the wheel off of the Marx handcar. So I pulled the wheel off the handcar frame, opened the hole in it with a number 29 drill, and then just real casually opened it up with a small file until it actually fit that axle. So anyway, this motor is up and running. Rather crudely assembled, but it's up and running. It's good enough until I get that wheel anyway. So that one I modified off of the handcar is good enough for now. At least it's running. So I'm going to put this on the rail and run it for a couple minutes. Just got this finished. As you see, it actually runs quite well. Forward and reverse, of course. So, a Marx handcar wheel in place of the original. It worked. A bit clunky, but it works. It's exactly the same size. It's just really difficult to drill a oversized hole and drill it straight. You need a lathe for doing it, that kind of stuff, actually. Especially when you don't have the right size drill. So I just drilled it with a drill that was close and then opened the hole with a Swiss needle file. Crude at best, but it got it running until I can get a pair of wheels for it. Actually, one wheel for it. But that Marx handcar wheel is exactly the same size, just a different axle. So anyway, as you see, this is number 5 of 6. There we go. Now, I just got this assembled, so this is its first time on the rail. It needs to be lubricated. It needs to run now. So as you see, it's up and running, no doubt. What I'm going to do with it, I have absolutely no idea. I need to cycle this E a couple dozen times to get the oxide off of it. Anyway, it was worth the time it took to get it running. Again, what I'm going to do with it, I have absolutely no idea. But it's a good-sized double reduction motor. Obviously mounts in a diesel. No idea which diesel it mounts in. Very likely the 1998. That's what it looks like. Anyway, as you see, it is up and running. So 5 out of 6. So this is the last one, and it is also missing parts. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it running or not. Only way to tell is to do a bit of work on it and see. But it's been fun working on these motors. And what's really nice is when you can take a old junk motor and actually bring the thing back to life. You know, this is far from perfect with that mismatched wheel on it, but it's running. As you see, it's always nice to have a spare diesel motor. You run into something on eBay real cheap, you got a motor to drop in there. So as you see, up and running, no problems with this at all. Now we'll tackle the last one and see what it'll take to get that one running. I have absolutely no idea. Anyway, this old motor's running really well. As you see. So, in any case, just want to do a follow-up or a video on this diesel motor. Excuse me. So, number 5 out of 6. This will be the last one. We'll see if we can get it going next. So, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.